Star Trek wants to know what's the most realistic way that space could kill us? Ooh, I like that. Okay. If the sun begins to misbehave, we expect that to happen in about 5 billion years. There will be considerably more solar storms, considerably more and intense radiative particles emanating from the sun. As that happens, it will begin to ablate our atmosphere and basically taking out the highest level layers of the atmosphere systematically. And as it continues to do this, atmospheric pressure will drop. We will have less and less air to breathe as this process continues. And eventually, we'll have no air to breathe at all. And unless we become fish real fast, we get to breathe the remaining air that's dissolved in the ocean, but that'll go away too. All the fishes will die. And when that happens, we all suffocate.
This is Degrass Tyson stating literally what climate change is, what is happening right now, and what is going to continue happening. Why Greta is having to be at the world's nations screaming to all of the leaders exactly why we need to start doing something about it, by why they all ignore her. Because while humans are causing a great deal of CO2 and we are affecting our climate, our troposphere in great ways, seriously destroying the stratosphere and assisting not only what is happening here from a lower level, while it's hitting it from a higher level and destroying all levels of O3 that might exist, it is going to happen whether we stop doing what we're doing or not. And that is why they don't care and they won't stop. Why we'll talk about it in every possible scientific way, but we will ignore it. That's why there are two sides of science, because while we can prove that yes, humans are doing it, we can also prove that it's going to happen anyway. And while Republicans are in charge and while we have this great American nation that relies on coal and all of the fossil fuels we do, we're not planning on changing our ways. We're not planning on working with any of the scientists that show that this might inevitably happen, and we need to start planning on not only shutting down all of our fossil fuels and all of our CO2 emissions plants, but we need to start working towards figuring out clean energy and eventually electromagnetic fields that can make sustainable environments for us.